Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I am in my truck and I am on my way to the VA healthcare system. I am in the midst of going to get eyelid surgery. My eyelids are droopy and are pushing my eyelashes down into my eyes. So the VA has granted me eyelid surgery so that I can have better vision. What I look like before and what I look like after. So this is what I look like before. Not sure how well the light is going to reflect the status and color of my eyeballs, but this is the way my eyeballs look normally. So this is a before and after video. I'll be doing a video of me right after the surgery. This will be a progressive video to see what happens after I get out of surgery and what it looks like and what it feels like. So here I am after my eyelid surgery. Give you an idea what it looks like. Here are my accommodations at the VA. You can see behind me, it's a nice room. Got a TV. Here's the restrooms. I've just dabbed my eyes again, so you can kind of see what they look like. There you go. That is eyelid surgery. Alright, it is 6:30 in the morning. Here is the result of my eyelid surgery. So you can see what the results are after approximately 12 hours. My eyelid surgery was at 2 p.m. the prior day. Well, that was when my surgery was scheduled, so I say 2:30, and then earlier when I took my video it was about 5 o'clock. So this is 12 hours after my last video. You can see the progression of the swelling. Hey folks, it's Saturday. It is 2 days after my surgery. And here's what I look like so far. Here's a close-up of my eyes. That's what it looks like after 2 days. Like I got in a fight, broke my nose. Hey folks, here I am. It's a week and a half after my eyelid surgery. You can see some of the swelling has gone down, some of the blackness in my eyes has gone down. I've pulled out some of the dissolving stitches so you can kind of see what my eyelids look like about I'm going to say a week and a half after my surgery. Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I am showing you photos of my eyelid surgery after it is completely healed and no swelling, so that you can see exactly what it looks like when I'm totally completely done. There you go. That's what eyelid surgery does for you. You can see my eyelids are no longer hanging over my eyelashes with my eyes open. And and I can see much better. The two medicines I was given, ketotifen fumarate ophthalmic solution, and I was also given the erythromycin ophthalmic ointment, which was here, and you could actually put this directly into your eyes if they were feeling scratchy. It would kind of be blurry to your vision, but it would blink and it would get on the inside of the eyelid because obviously part of it was cut out. And everything healed up fine. There was no pain. There was no, it kind of itched a little bit. But that happens when you begin to heal, you itch. So I just did it, did a light rubbing across my eyelids. Is called a blepharoplasty. It's an eyelid lift, or blepharoplasty is a procedure to remove skin and to add or remove fat from the eyelids. The term eyelid lift is a misnomer because the eyelid is not truly lifted during surgery. Upper blepharoplasty surgery and uses incisions to allow for removal of skin and fat. There you go. That's what I had.